Very simple, super delicious, soft and fluffy naan bread is ready to enjoy. It is really goes well with tandoori chicken or any meat curry or even with mixed vegetables. Hello viewers, you are watching Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to make super simple, fluffy, soft naan bread. It's good for your dinner bread or even good for with beef or any other curry that you like. So thank you for joining, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and share our videos. If you already did so, thanks for that. So to make naan bread, I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and also 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Combine them with flour and put it aside. So here I have taken 1 cup of warm milk, and I'm going to add 1½ teaspoon dry yeast. Mix well. So now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil with the flour, and I'm going to use my hand to mix it well. At this time, I'm going to add warm milk with dry yeast and make the dough. So the dough is ready. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil on top of it and then cover it and rest it for 2 hours. Alright, so welcome back after 2 hours. You see that the dough has risen so much in size. You see here, it's more than even double. Degas this, and then I'm gonna divide this dough into 8 equal portions to make bread. So now that I divided the dough in 8 pieces, and now I'm going to roll this as required. So in the same process, I'm gonna make or roll all the doughs that I do have here, and then I'll fry it on the frying pan. Okay, so I have a frying pan on the stove, and it is really hot now. So I'm going to put it. So I just put the bread on the stove on a pan. The pan is really hot, and then it has to be on a medium heat. Flip the other side. So in the same process, I'm gonna make all the bread that I do have here. So the naan bread is ready. You see that here. So I have some melted butter here that I'm going to put some fresh coriander, minced coriander leaves. You can use parsley as well. And then I will brush these on top of these naan. So you need to make sure that you are doing it when your naan bread is really warm. So the naan bread is ready. It's super soft, super good. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. It is so soft. You see that here. It's super good with naan and tandoori chicken, with meat curry, or even with vegetables. mixed vegetables or whatever you like. Please subscribe our channel and share our videos. Thank you so much.